I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting essentials in place. Decide Java versus Bedrock and confirm who can join. Once chosen, pick hosting, Realms for simplicity, a server for custom plugins, or LAN for local play. Make the invite now, set date, time, and whether you'll use voice chat. Explain the game mode and any rules so expectations match. This speeds onboarding and avoids confusion. You want everyone ready when the world loads. Once the host is live, configure practical settings. Enable a whitelist or share an invite link, set difficulty, and choose PvP rules. Make roles now, give one person building tools, another basic protection plugins or commands, so early chaos becomes productive teamwork. Set spawn kits and a safe spawn area and explain how to claim land or use grief protection. Doing this before friends, join reduces. You begin the session with a quick tour and one small collaborative task to bond, build a shelter or gather food, so everyone feels useful immediately. If a friend can't join, stop and check game version mismatches, NAT or port forwarding, and whether they're whitelisted. Often a restart fixes it. Make incremental adjustments to roles and permissions as you go, praise cooperation, and schedule the next meet to keep your group engaged and returning to the world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.